Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last Fine Art Friday I decided to do something a little bit different and share with you another love of mine, writing. So I decided to take some of the poems that I wrote and do a watercolor painting to go with them as I read the poem. So last time I did a very spring-like one called Ode to a Bluebird. So if you missed that and you'd like to see the painting that I did and hear the poem that I wrote, click on the link above. So today I was kind of reminiscent since we aren't really able to get out much or travel probably in the near distant future. I remembered a time when I went to Europe and I visited Italy and I really just fell in love with the whole Venice experience, the gondolas, the warm summer breeze, everything. So I decided to use a poem that I wrote in remembrance of my trip to Venice years ago. It's called Italian Embrace. So if you want to see how I made out doing my watercolor of the Venice canals as well as reading my poem, let's get started. Italian Embrace by Sue Demchina. The bold Venetian sun burst forth to caress the weary traveler. Her spirits rose as she paused to hear the bell of St. Mark's Tower. A peal resounded throughout the square and echoed through the ages. Its tower clock endorsed the time by sun and lunar phases. The bronzed Moors hammered out the ancient hours on the bell. The history of these dueling chimes was nothing to dispel. Scores of pigeons filled the piers as she stopped to watch a while. An ocean-scented fisherman paused to flash his swarthy smile. She motioned for a gondola and nimbly stepped aboard. The captain broke into a song, and from his soul it poured. The foreign words he uttered left an imprint on her soul. Their robust flavor filled her heart as the fading bells did toll. As they glided through the waters, they melted into the past, along the Doge's palace where many prisoners' fates were cast. They slipped into the shadows as they approached the Bridge of Sighs. The whispers of the anguished were sensed from days gone by. The hours slipped, the past unfolds, her journey finally ends. She leaves the boat and steps ashore, her heart begins to mend. The jade canal blows forth a kiss as salty as the seas, to stroke her cheek as she strolls past and leaves its memories.